Hey there everybody, what's going on? Have you ever wondered, who should I work with in my business? Well, in today's video, we're going to be going over how you can identify the influencers in your team. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, my name is David Lamoureux and thank you for watching this video. Holy cow, the GoPro Recruiting Mastery 2018 event just finished and it was off the chain. And one of the things that they went over was 5 ways that you can identify the influencers in your team. So that's what we're going to be going over today. So number 1, they are independent. Okay, they don't need their upline, their sponsor. They don't need everybody in the team to be doing something. They are the ones that are independent. They're the ones that are in charge. Okay, they can take the bull by the horns and they can go do their business. They're the ones that realize that this business is their business. Okay, and they take responsibility of it, and they also take responsibility for their own actions, because once they start doing that, then they can take more responsibility for the outcome and the results of their business. Number 2, they are problem solvers, because isn't that what this business is all about anyways? We help to solve people's problems, all right? So they don't talk about the problems, they talk about the solutions. They mull things over in their mind and they come up with ways and solutions, and they tend to brainstorm ways to solve problems. So number 2, they are problem solvers. Number 3, they are consistent. All right, one of the biggest keys to success in overall life is just to be consistent in whatever you're doing. I heard it from Jim Rohn that it's an apple a day, not 7 on Sunday. And that's kind of a life philosophy, just to not do things one time, you know, and that's just kind of how some people are that don't understand the power of consistency. And it's even not understanding the power of the law of sowing and reaping, because if you sow consistently, you are going to reap consistently. So number 3, they are consistent. Number 4, they create action. They are the action takers. This kind of goes in line with number 1, they're independent. They're not going to wait for others to create action to do things in order for them to do things themselves. They are going to be the ones that take charge, and they are the ones that create action. They tend to be the leaders of their own team very well because they create action, which the speed of the pack is determined by the speed of the leader. So this is a way that you can help to identify those leaders. They're not going to wait for you to take action before they take action. So number 4, they take action. And number 5, they have big vision, right? They can see long term, they can think bigger faster, and they see the overall picture of where this is going, okay? They can see years down the road, where as soon as they get in, or it could be developed shortly thereafter, but they can see the vision of having hundreds and thousands and maybe even tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of people in their team in the future. So number 5, they are big visionaries. Guys, if you saw value in this video, if you like this video, this content, then please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And here's what you can also do. If you would like the rest of my notes from the GoPro 2018 event, click on the link davidjlamoureux.com in the description below and type in the keyword GoPro 2018 notes, and I will have exactly in the description how you need to put it. Make sure that you have the same amount of spaces in there, and my messenger assistant will be sure and give you that shareable download to where you can download the PDF of the rest of my notes from the GoPro event. Guys, I really appreciate your views, and I hope that this brought you some value. I hope that this helps you out in your business and your team. Go look for those influencers in your team, and look for those influencers out in the world as you are prospecting. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.